Hey Inspired Tribe, how's it going? It's Jean Nolan here. Welcome, and I want to dive right into it. We received quite a few emails, messages, and questions from you all regarding our recent videos asking if we truly believed that food shortages are coming in the United States and Europe and in other parts of the world. And we want to make one thing abundantly clear. Number one, yes. The answer is absolutely yes. But number two, they're not coming. Food shortages are actually already here. And if you don't believe me, let me just show you a few clips right here that you can check out for yourself. Listen, Kristin and I, we've been paying attention on our shopping trips over the past months and even years, and we've been noticing certain patterns. We've been noticing how lots of aisles simply stay empty, never really get restocked. There's a really hard inflation that we're experiencing, which is realistically speaking at probably 18-19%. The gas prices are going up, fertilizer prices are going up. We're really in a situation where a food crisis is absolutely imminent. This is no fear-mongering, this is fact. And so the question is, what can we do? Our family, we have been preparing for quite a while. We've done all the things that are kind of old school, the canning, the drying, the freezing, all of those things. But Kristin and I also always wanted to have an option where we could have long-term, non-perishable food, and that food could be there whenever we needed it. That's what we call emergency food supply. We found this company called My Patriot Supply, and we told them what we were doing here on the Inspired channel, and so they partnered with us and said, listen, we want to give your viewers the opportunity to save on these supplies, to give you $150 off on their most popular 3-month emergency food supply and $30 off on their very popular 4-week food supply. And all you have to do is go to preparewithinspired.com. That's preparewithinspired.com, and you can get your 25-year shelf life emergency food supply. This is for you to have when you can't get anything else and you want to have peace of mind. So we have posted quite a few videos on this subject that you can look up, and we'll put some here in the description and some up here, and so you can check out what else you can do. But today, if you feel inspired, if you say, I want this peace of mind, I want to make sure that my family is taken care of, go to preparewithinspired.com and you'll save $150 on the most popular 3-month food supply. Now here's the thing, they are honoring their current prices, but they don't know how long they'll be able to do it. So if you feel inspired, do it today rather than tomorrow. Everything is going up like crazy, and they will have to go up with their prices as well. This is a clear message, whether it's with this company, whether it's ordering here, or whether it's doing all the other things that are good and necessary. But please get ready right now and today so you'll have peace of mind and you'll be able to assist and help others when the time comes. All right, tribe, thank you for tuning in with us here. We'll see you very soon. Be abundantly blessed, be inspired, and be prepared.